Hi. It's like 3 in the morning. I'm like, we're kind of tired. Because Amanda is there sleeping, trying to.
I'm not showing you movement. Movement.
See my eyeball.
Okay.
She said, alright, we're like kind of tired. Alex is sleeping.
It's 3 out
She's a really gigantic. I know.
I really want to sleep. I'm so tired.
I thought you said you just lived.
Normal. People.
You've never seen me this calm. You've never seen me this calm. You know it. You haven't. I'm like so quiet now. I'm not like ah. It's like the calmest you've seen me. No, the calmest is actually sleeping.
You're not even calm in your sleep.
True. I talk a lot. And so, just a little bit. It's weird. Oh, my Kenzie goes like that. She
And
goes,
you kick
like,
and hits.
no, she's like, it's like,
Not as bad as
what
my
is your problem?
dad.
Oh my god. Oh, well, yeah, he is up. So, to other days, who's got the boyfriend? Because if you do, stay here. If you don't, stay here. But anyway, like, who has a boyfriend? Obviously, people who are watching, or at least some, should at least. Rice, right? I said rice. Right? Yeah, that's all. Anyway, so yeah, they should. Now, here are some questions about your relationship. See if it's real or not. Does your boyfriend show true meaning in his relationship with you? If you said yes, well then that's good. You passed the first question. But if you said no, well, there's a different part in that. Now, here's your second one. Does your boyfriend really care about you? Does he say, just shut up, shut up? Like, does he give you, like, stupid comments, like, shut up, or really, are you, like, stupid? Like, those stupid little comments, you're like, what are you doing? If you answer yes, then I think it's time to break up with him. But answer no, that's good. So if you answered yes and no, yes on the first one and no on the second one, good relationship. But if you answered no on the first one and yes on the second one, then you really need to do something about it. Like, I don't know what, but something. Because if you don't, like, there's got to be something wrong. Sorry, I do that a lot. I don't know why it's like twitchy. It's weird. I don't know why. I don't understand it either. Like, okay, here's my favorite song. Now listen. It's me and my boyfriend's song.
I hate this song.
Listen. Come on. This song is Count on Me by Bruno Mars. I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever fall so lost and I'm drunk and you can't see, I'll save a life to catch you. Find out what we're made to. When we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, yeah.